Get out of hand means when something becomes uncontrollable. Imagine holding something tightly in your hand, you have full control. But if it slips out of your hand, you lose that control completely. This idiom describes situations that start normal but suddenly become chaotic and impossible to manage. Become uncontrollable means a situation loses all control and turns chaotic. Things that were manageable suddenly become wild and crazy. Escalate beyond control describes when something grows too big, too fast, and you cannot handle it anymore. Both meanings show complete loss of management. The party got out of hand and police were called. This means the party started fun but became too wild and dangerous. Their argument quickly got out of hand. A normal conversation turned into loud shouting that nobody could stop. These examples show how fast situations can become chaotic. Spending has gotten out of hand this month. Someone is buying too much and cannot control their money anymore. The protest got out of hand quickly. Peaceful people became angry and violent suddenly. Both show situations growing beyond anyone's ability to manage. Spiral out of control means the same as get out of hand things keep getting worse in circles. Snowball means a small problem grows bigger and bigger, like a snowball rolling downhill. Escalate means the situation becomes more serious step by step. All describe losing control completely. Situation becomes chaotic, everything turns crazy and confused. Loses control completely, nobody can manage it anymore. Common in parties and arguments, these situations often get out of hand fast. Practice using this idiom in your daily conversations to sound natural.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.